Morning student, myself Kher Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 10 subject SST Geography, chapter 1st Resources and Development. Here we will discuss firstly stock. What is stock? Basically stock resources that are available but we do not have proper technology to use them are called stock. Those things have been present in present uh, and those have been available, but we do not have the proper technology, proper idea for the changement process that is called stock. For example, water is made of oxygen and hydrogen which can be used as fuel, but because of lack of proper technology they are not used in we know that water, the formula is H2O, and hydrogen uh, and oxygen is present, but if we don't know the better utilization of hydrogen and oxygen, thereafter we cannot make fuel for effective way. Thereafter, reserves reserves resources which are available and the know-how to use them is also present, but they are yet to be used are called reserves. Basically those resources are available and the know-how to use them is also present. Yes, we don't know the how they have been used, how they have been utilized, but they are yet to be used. How they have been used, the technology have been introduced, that is called the reserve. For example, river water which is not used to generate electricity. If river water we don't used to generate electricity, we don't know the process of the forming of electricity. Thereafter we have been not take the benefit of that particular river water. Thereafter, conserving resources. Conserving resources, using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. The resource must be renewed at time to time and they must be conserved at effective way. If the resources cannot be conserved, thereafter it is not present in the future time period. So balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. The better utilization of that particular resources, the balancing of the resources and nature, and human must know that the particular resources is present at a limited level, so that is utilized at good level. We don't waste more and more things those have been provided by the nature. Thereafter, the future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and present the life support system. Those people are living in that earth and the planet. If the people have been better coordination to the nature, thereafter their life must be increased. If they have been taking the revenge of the nature and they think that nature I can damage the nature and I can survive and I have been more advanced, thereafter nature will destroy. So you must think about that. All uses of renewable resources are sustainable. Those type of resources have been uses, all are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. Yes, the diversity of life on earth only when the people have been more aware about the damaging of nature and the better the people make a better balance of the nature, thereafter it is easy to their survival. Okay, thank you very much.